Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. This is Ryan, and I'm going to do a video for one of my viewers who asked me to take a look at the coin Sol. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for him. That's what this video is going to be about. If you guys are into coin predictions, I let you guys know great entry points, great exit points, and these are trades that I jump into too. So I share with you guys my journey. So if you're into something like that, if you're into seeing that and you want to see me taking profit and how much I'm making and things like that, please subscribe to the channel and smack the bell so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me share my screen and I will put this together for you guys. So for those of you guys that are new, make sure you watch this video because I'm going to show you guys an indicator that helps me out a lot in finding good entry points and exit points. Okay. So for about 9 months, I was about 98% profitable. And I realized what my errors were, but I think that I could even improve that even more. Things are happening right now, so it's a weird market, but let's go ahead and take a look. So here's Sol USD. I'm over on TradingView. If any of you guys aren't using TradingView, I'd recommend it. You can also add stocks and coins. So I have a link down in my description. So go ahead and take a look at that. So let's go ahead and look at Sol. So I wanted to share with you guys, let's see here. Okay, so here it is right here. It says, Farhad said, sir, I jumped in at Sol at 99. Can you please check on this coin and make a video for everyone? Thanks. And I did recently jump into that coin. I jumped into Sol back here on January 10th. I bought 7 of them at 136.11, and my take profit point is 165. I still think it'll get there. It's just going to take a little bit of time. My profit on that will be 202 and I'll make 21%. So you're going to see that marker on this TradingView page, which is right here. That's roughly where I'm going to be selling on mine, but let's take a look at it right now. So things have been dropping. Ichimoku Cloud, it's still below the red. Doesn't look like it's really moving just into the red just yet. The multiple SMA is still down below. The purple line, it needs to be starting to break through for a good indicator as to when to buy in. Now, I don't always follow these exactly because I would if I was trading stocks, but since I'm doing coins, I have a little bit different technique, okay? And I know some of you guys are gonna look at this and go, hey, that's a bunch of horse, whatever, but it works for me. So, okay, let's see here. Oh, let's look at the RSI. We are heading back down towards the 30, jumped up a little bit. And my hope is that it's going to keep going all the way up to the 70. Look right here. It's all green on the MACD, no red in sight. So that's a good indication that we're starting to trend upward and that hopefully we're, at kind of at the bottom range right now. And then this is the indicator I told you guys about. So real quick, I'm not going to go into it too much. You guys need to watch my other videos and I go into more depth on this. But if you guys are stuck on coins, like was it Farhad is, if you guys are stuck into coins, add a comment down below in the video and let me know what coin you're in and let me know the price that you bought in on, and I might do a video for you guys so that everybody can learn. So on this indicator, more often than not, when price action drops below these orange lines, it swings back up, and it happens a lot. So take my word for it. And if you don't believe me, go check my other videos because I go over this constantly. So I'm going to try to move through these videos a little bit quicker for you guys. But I'll just do a few quick ones right here. Cracked came back up, cracked came back up, crack 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 came back up. And here we go. Cracked hasn't come back up yet, but it will. And on these little gray bars right here, as they start to appear when we're in this section, usually what I do is I play those. So once this cracks, I buy down here and I wait for it to swing back up. And so that's what I did before. I bought somewhere, where did I buy? On Sol, I bought 136 and 136. I bought all the way up in this range, right up in here. Probably a little bit more over in here. I bought over here and then it cracked that line and I could jump back in and I would feel pretty solid more often than not. If I was right 9 out of 10 times, That's a good indicator for me. That means I'm 90% profitable. So what I would do is for myself, if I was jumping back into it again, I would jump in down here and I would take profit somewhere right up here. I'm in on the other coin, so I do need to wait till it reaches this level. I could wait for this to swing all the way back up. If I have the time and I have the money sitting there and it's not a big deal, I'll wait for it to swing because I'll make more money. But if I want to get my money out quicker, and I don't want to have to wait for maybe a month or 2 months or 3 months, then what I might do is I might buy down here and sell up here. So for any of you guys that are in on Sol right now, get a pen, write down these levels, okay? If you guys are in somewhere in this range, if you bought in recently, Farhad had bought in at 99. So let's take a look at 99 here real quick. Now, if you guys feel like you're learning anything, please write down below, right over here, there's a thumbs up button. If you could click that, that helps YouTube know that I'm helping provide you guys helpful information if you guys are finding this interesting. And also go check my other videos. I have, where are you? I have all these videos here. If you go to my username, click on videos, you'll see all the coins that I'm jumping into. And I have the ones that are taking profit here in the green, here, and just over here. And then Ethereum, I just did, I made almost $200 in less than 48 hours. Let me go back. Okay, so hopefully you have a pen by now. So if you bought somewhere in this range, here's some areas to think about, okay? This is up to you. This is just me and doing an analysis. So this isn't advice. This is just things that you guys can think about, make your own decision. If somebody gave me money and they said, you have to put it on Sol, nothing else, and I was jumping in right now, this is what I do. I would jump in right here, and I would either set my take profit at 95.73, 104.28, 112.35, 121.85, 130, $130.40, 139.42, 147, 156.99, roughly 164, and then up here 174. Now, if you want to wait till it gets up here, you might be waiting a few months. You could wait 6 months. I don't know, but you could wait a longer period. So if you're down here and you bought somewhere in this range, like Farhad's at 90, then look at all this potential money you could make if you have the money and you can sit back and you can be patient. That's the thing. That's the hardest thing, is to be emotionally patient and set this stuff aside. Put your trade in, leave the house, forget about it. Okay. I don't even do stop losses anymore. Once I stopped turning off my stop losses, I started making money. And I'm not joking, guys. I used to do it. I would see money coming in, I would start making money, and then all of a sudden, it would drop like it did right here, and I would get taken out of my stop loss. And so I gave up for 2 months, and I thought, God, I'm seeing all these other guys on YouTube making money. And I saw somewhere, and I remembered this one guy said, he was in like Russia, and he said, don't do stop losses. And I was like, oh, that's crazy. You got to protect your money. You got to manage your money. And I just went back, I watched this video again, and I was like, okay, I guess I'll try it. I turned it off and I haven't turned it back on since. So keep that in mind, guys. So if you guys found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up below. For me, at the longest I would wait right here. I would take out right here. I wouldn't hope that it's going to go up higher, because it may not. I might end up selling only a portion of my initial investment just to get my initial money back. So if I had 1,000 in, I would, as soon as I made 1,000 or more, if it was up here, let's say I made 1,500, I would take my 1,000 out. And maybe what I would do is either take that $500 and put it somewhere else, or what I would do is just leave it in Solana, because here, coin market cap. I'm going to go cryptocurrencies. These are the top rated coins right here. If I do a Control F and I do Sol, let's see, Sol is right here, number 8. So I don't hold long-term on coins that aren't within the top 20. Okay. And I've got my sheet here. Oops. I'll have to gray that out. So what I'll have to do is, oh, these are my trades. These are the ones that I've been jumping into. These are some of the ones I'm holding. As they clear, I mark it down over here. You can see all the ones that I'm just waiting for them to swing back around. And you can see quite a few have been clearing just since the end of last month. Look at all these, boom, 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 boom. And then over here, I got cleared here. So I hope that helps. Remember, thumbs up, please, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And smack the notification bell. I'll be letting everyone know about other coins I'm jumping into and helping other people with coins that they're in on, doing an analysis for them. So thanks guys for watching. Have a great night, and I will see you on the next coin. Bye-bye.